What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Xman Co. Today we're making smash burgers. Not just any smash burgers, we got our own twist, Xman Co twist, and you're gonna love it. With that said, let's go start the fire. Now you can ask yourself, why smash burgers? Now guys, sometimes you just want to spend a little bit less time prepping and more time with family and friends, enjoying and still have that locked, powerful taste flavor in the burgers, and we all love burgers. So therefore, smash burgers. Let's make them, it's very easy, and we're gonna share our tips and tricks with these smash burgers. You're gonna love it. First things first, what you wanna do is get your buns ready. Now guys, if you don't look after your buns initially and get them set, you're gonna end up with your smash burgers ready and the buns not ready, and that's a problem. Let's sort them out. For our smash burgers today, we're gonna need some ingredients, and I'm gonna share that with you guys. As always guys, all the ingredients will be listed down below in the description. What we've got here, we've got some salt and pepper, some cheddar cheese slices, camembert, that's a nice twist, you're gonna love it. We've got some onion here, lettuce. We've got some spices here guys, it's gonna be available for you guys in the near future, 5 to 6 weeks from now. We're using lemon pepper, it's really nice. Remember, all our spices are gluten and MSG free, so that's really something to look forward to. Got some flaky salt here, and then what we call 3 bells. 3 bell spice, all rounder, great on beef patties, all of that. Basically anything that you love, it's going to be brilliant. We've got some mayonnaise here and some tomato sauce. Star of the show, ground beef. 80-20 is perfect. You can use a little bit more fat if you really want to. It's entirely up to you. And then we got beautiful buns here, because you know a smash burger needs a beautiful bun. Let's do this. Now that our buns are ready, it's time to move on to the next step. The next step, we're going to sort out our lettuce. Guys, with the lettuce, you can do exactly what you want. We like to cut it very finely, you know, as you use in a bun. Beautiful and perfect. We're going to add some sauces and a little bit of spice. We're going to add a little bit of mayonnaise, some tomato sauce. The ratio is basically 2 to 1, mayonnaise 2, and tomato sauce 1. We're also going to add some of our lemon pepper spice, as we love the taste of that. And then lastly, we're just going to add a little bit of flaky salt. As always guys, we need to taste, make sure our garnish is perfect. Beautiful. Next on the list is sorting out our onion. We've got 1 whole onion here. We're going to slice it very finely. Guys, this is the real trick. You want to make sure it's very finely, as even as you can. We're going to use a knife today. We're going to cut it finely, and the onion's really going to bring so much flavor. It's 3 seasons in one. You're going to see what we're going to do on the grill with that. What's basically going to happen is we're going to have some caramelized onion, we're going to have some toasted onion, and then a little bit more raw onion. Because of the method that we're going to use today cooking these smash burgers, it's going to be beautiful. It's going to be all of those textures all in one. Lastly but not the least, camembert. Now guys, you don't have to try camembert, but we just love it. We're going to use 2 cheeses today, a cheddar, mild cheese, and then a camembert. Let's do this. 2 ways to do this guys. You can slice it like this horizontally or vertically. We're going to go with vertically. We're just going to cut it like that. It's about, I would say, just short of 1/2 centimeter slices, because we want it like quite thick. We really enjoy it this way. And that should be enough for our 4 smash burgers that we're making here today. Now it's time to sort out the star of the show, our ground beef. Now guys, we've got 850 grams here, so we're basically going to make about 10. If you're looking at about 85 grams, you can even go to 100 grams per meatball, if you want to call it that. So we're going to make beautiful, solid meatballs. We're going to add a little bit of our 3 bell spice, Xman Co 3 bell spice. You can use your favorite barbecue spice. You're not going to add anything to it that's going to bind it. We're just going to keep it raw like this. Just some spice, make some balls, and then it's ready for the fire. Now guys, you just want to smash it down. You can see I'm using one of my hammers to help me, to assist, and a little bit of parchment paper onto the patties. You want to make it as small and flat as you can, and then we just give it 2 minutes on that side to make a nice crust, and then the magic's going to start. Now's the right time to season it as well. To the bottom patties, we're going to add some onions. Once you've turned them, it's time to add your cheddar cheese to the top patty, the one without the onions. There you go. We just want to give it another 2-3 minutes on this side. The one with the cheddar cheese is going to cook much faster than the guys that's got the onion underneath. Just going to add our other cheese now, and that's our Camembert. We really love this. This is a beautiful add-on. Right guys, that moment, smash burgers are done. What a quick exercise. It doesn't take that long. It's literally 2 minutes aside and it's going on the burger. You need a few hands, it goes crazy, but it goes quick and it's amazing. Lots of time for the family to spend quality time with and enjoy great flavors. So there's no resting time here. All we need to do is put these burgers caps on and then taste it. Let's do that. Right guys, have a look at that. Look there, the juices are literally flowing. Look there. I think we need to take a bite. Smash burger. Let's do this. Wow. Gosh, beautiful. Have a look at that. This is crazy. Wow. You guys should try this out. We appreciate you guys. Guys, you know the story. If you like what you're doing, like, share, subscribe. Enable those notifications so you get notified as soon as we upload new video. Thanks for watching. We cannot do it without you. We'll see you on the next one. Okay, there you go. Enjoy.